to free up a stick and throttle?
What's that?
A throttle stick, and you guys got to free that up?
Lube or something?
Yeah, what do you
Even
think?
chain lube will do it. Yeah, that's dangerous.
Sand in it.
Yeah, oh yeah. Dump it once and that happens here, eh? Nice bike though.
Yeah, thanks, man.
It'll be tough for sure.
Where's the best spot to put it, you think?
Probably right in the dump it right in here. I think in here. That's usually where they collect.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
WD-40 might be a little thinner if you bring that, yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks, man, I appreciate it.
Oh, probably. I don't know, you got quite the seal in that.
I know, it's...
I got a fucking, I was gonna say, I got a straw for it too if you want it. You wash it with this and then lube it with that.
Yeah, so I think it's a good idea. Because yesterday I dumped it and I didn't even bother cleaning it and I didn't notice it till today and I'm like, fuck, it's
sticky. Yeah.
Oh yeah, and it's
I got a screwdriver
opening up on me.
to take it apart.
We might have to, I should do that maybe. Oh yeah, it's working better already.
Back, but that's still fucking pretty sticky.
WD does it. I thought I had a bottle. I left it at the fucking workshop.
The bike doesn't fit very good with the toolbox, but fuck, it's worth it.
Yeah, you put it sideways.
It doesn't.
It won't? Oh, I got the A-point. Yeah, that's why. Put it up on the wagon. So
I probably got a Phillips right handy right
there.
I'm
gonna have to take her apart.
Sure, you don't. Like the old tool fucking house.
What are we going, electrician in?
Yeah. Oh, you got one, yeah?
Oh yeah, buddy. She's set right up. Fucking one section there.
Oh yeah, I got the full kit too. Look at you.
Loving all the kids, that pickup.
Yeah, that is good. See, a lot of them just live around here, right? So they just ride the bike right here.
Yeah. Well, I'll be back and bringing other people, that's for sure.
Oh yeah, man.
Like
Here, you want to put it on the stand? I'll lean this up.
I'll just wheel it up to here, huh?
Yeah.
I took the back roads all the way here and I popped out right over here.
You're laughing.
One road up over there.
Oh, buddy, you got back, got the trailer full of rig.
Might as well, right?
Oh, yeah.
Might have to split it, eh?
Yeah, you might have to, because that's where it usually gets in
Yeah,
there.
it's not up in there, actually.
During music videos, and Luke Bryan has done that in his music video for Huntin' Fishin' and Lovin' Every Day. You get to see his family, which I think is really cool.
I got a nut driver that'll undo the bottom part.
Yeah, okay, let's next step, I guess, eh?
15 minutes on the highway, so don't go anywhere. I'm Betsy, and right now it's Rich Bentley.
That's what my nut driver is.
What you think I'm saying? What you think that I'm all alone? Best cases, eh?
Just got here the other day. That'll probably do it for him, that 8.
Yeah, it's an 8 at the bottom of
Same thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
that. On the bottom of that.
Oh, sorry, buddy.
No worries, man.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Here, there's just 2 if you want.
Here's the upright, we're quicker.
That's a couple of the handy ones, the wrenches. 10, 12.
No, it's not it.
Oh, you
Oh, it's upside down.
put her fucking backwards by.
Just checking, keeping you on your toes, man.
Well, that one was already loose.
Was it?
Got you loose, the other one off there's the clamp.
Well, yeah,
Oh,
once
you
it
got
loose,
so,
it'll
yeah.
probably back it loose.
Just terrorizing the town. Probably see a bunch of fucking standing there.
That's bad example right there.
Doing wheelies.
I'm fucking.
Oh, no helmet, yeah. But my son's sitting there going, I saw a dude with no helmet, man. It's like, it's crazy, he said.
Where'd that WD go?
Right here at my feet.
Oh,
Just a bad example for the kids, right?
where's that red thing?
Did it fall off down here too? Yep, right here.
One of them on the that box.
Oh. throttle at the same time, man. Feels better.
Yeah, it even sounds better. Fuck, this shit ever happens a lot. You gotta watch it when you wash it.
Yeah, I took out the pinky too. When I wiped it in the sand here.
Fuck your pinky up?
Yeah.
Oh, you said? Oh shit.
Just laid the whole bike sideways coming off that. I fucking didn't realize there's a 15-foot gap.
Oh yeah, no kidding. That'll do it.
It looped out on her.
Is it still sicking?
Yeah, give that one. Maybe turn it this way and let it drain out, eh?
Yeah. Oh, it's getting dirty coming out, whatever.
Perfect.
Take a root apart.
I'll take it right off the tube. I got fucking
Yeah.
rags right there. Everything.
Yeah, man. Okay, I'm not sure how to go further from here.
I think you gotta take that fucking.
I'll get all this shit off too.
Oh yeah. Where'd that other screw go? You still got
I got the screw here. You want to take both
put
of
all
them?
that. I twisted the old neck there when I put it.
You twisted your neck?
Well, I fucking looped it out right here a little. Yeah. Kind of threw it and stumbled and fucking dug the shoulder.
Yeah. My ankle's sore from yesterday from that little loop out I did.
Yeah.
Landed the ankle hard. I didn't realize it until I was walking it home.
You fucking disconnect this cable.
Oh yeah, there they are.
Buddy, that's right there.
Huh?
Fucking
All that thing gets canceled.
not surprised it's not split yet. That bike's stupid fast.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's full of gunk in here.
Oh yeah. Well, all that shit that's in here too is gonna help.
Jesus.
Anybody bring water?
Yeah,
Yeah, we
he's
got
got
water.
fucking burgers and everything.
I like the way you guys roll.
Just beer.
That's
That's one of blue rags.
Are you good? From last night or what? That's fucking
I'm JP, by the way.
I'm Adam
This is me, Adam.
from Penetang.
Penetang, holy cow.
Anybody need screwdrivers?
Now I'm nervous.
Yeah, might have been there. Who's asking?
yeah, exactly. Yeah. Fuck, Papa Trump. What?
Water.
Trump, man. Oh yeah, first things first.
First things
Give
first,
me
you
a
gotta get
second.
fucking toast up. Then we get ready.
It's Sage wants two smoker,
That's
right?
the right idea. Fuck, I hate sitting in that back seat.
Life is fun.
Oh, don't leave that in the sun.
Sounds like a bad first day.
Oh, that's alright. I'll wear that on.
Right in the shade, boys. Don't want to sun. Come on.
Ooh, that's smooth.
There's a little bit of dirt in there, but that's inevitable.
Yeah,
So I'm pretty sure you gotta feed this cable down through there without the spool in.
you're right, actually. I'm gonna put spool in after.
Get it to hook into the thing.
I just put the new carb on and I just had this whole assembly apart, but I didn't take it as far as you did. Just this little bit. Put a screwdriver and pop that in there.
Old fucking CR250.
Alright.
Bird, looks like you should have kept her on four wheels.
What?
Bike two-wheeler.
Two-wheels.
Fuck it, I didn't manage knocking yourself out.
Always.
When I woke up,
What happens when you're hungover?
instantly, my helmet stayed on too. Such an rubber there.
Yeah, I gotta put that whole boot on after.
Okay, well, I guess we gotta put the top on if we want to move it right in before we take
Yeah.
the bottom.
Oh, no shit.
Probably still fucking drunk from last night.
Yeah, I was.
That's why he fucking knocked himself out.
Move it. There it is.
He goes out and buys clothes and then realizes.
What'd you say your name was?
Adam.
First name in the fucking book. How can I forget that? First name in the book. How can I forget that?
Pretty much. Oh, Adio's got her up brand new.
Oh, fuck yeah, bud.
Oh, fuck yeah, bud.
All right, where do you think? Right about there?
Well,
Can you
put
get
the
both
rubber
nuts?
right on, you can get out.
Oh, can you? Oh, okay.
Oh, wait.
There you go, man.
Sounds sick.
Have at it. Where's the best place to go?
Where you want it to be.
Doesn't really matter. It's wherever you get. I think you have to get the one nut and then go to the other nut. So snug the one up as much as you can, then just the other, right? Because you can't get them both at the same time.
Chris is coming too, eh? Is he? Yeah, he's bringing a squad. All right.
And then rotate it down. Yeah.
Grab one too, or what?
Well, ask Adio, but yeah,
Yeah,
take
it's
a
tight.
The water's right there.
You get it?
So I mean, how far is the end of the bar inside here?
Thank you.
I brought burgers.
It won't move now because it's up against the caliper. But you know what I mean?
Yeah, no, that's.
Get hot dogs.
Yeah, here, hot dog.
Will it go further in?
Okay, I didn't see
It did, eh? No?
It's definitely, it's going to be eating
Nope, that's the
time.
bottom of it.
Yeah, okay.
If you want the plastic hanging off the end, you'll snap it right off.
How you been, Jed? Same old, different day?
Glad to get out, the weather's nice. Fuck the winter. Time to be at the nice kid. And go fishing and shit.
Thanks, man.
Let me see
That's
this.
awesome. Yep.
Don't you worry about holding on.
Isn't there a limited weight rating for that?
Don't worry about it.
Minimum 150.
That's actually right what I am, perfect.
All right, boys. I'll see you on the trail and try and keep up to you.
Yeah, be careful.
Be careful is right. Otherwise, I keep going, right? Have fun, boys. How'd it go? What, buddy? Okay. Making sure you're not one of the garbage dumpers. You see this place, they think it's a dump, man. It's like, what are you doing?
Well,
Exactly.
I didn't feel bad throwing the branches and shit.
No, even the plywood and stuff over there, somebody's going to come along and use that.
Yeah.
But the fucking garbage, oh, that's too much.
Not garbage and stuff.
I went to go by the dump there and it was fucking lined up.
Yeah.
I'm going, well, it's just branches and
Exactly.
shit.
Yeah, that's nothing shit.
Pull them out of the bags, maybe don't take the bags.
Thought maybe you're unloading some vehicles at first. I was like, oh, more riders. Place is packed, man.
You wish
A
it.
lot of guys out today.
Oh, man, yeah, everybody and their kids.
Yeah.
My boy's here and everybody else, he's off with a bunch of somebody else's kids.
I used to come out all the time, and I haven't been out in a couple of years. I lined up my knees a bit, right?
Did you? What do you ride, a quad now?
No, well, that's my next step, get a quad.
Yeah.
It's been a couple of years though.
My boy's got a little bit of cerebral palsy, so he can't maneuver the bike so easy, but so I got him a quad and he just loves it.
Loves it,
still,
Yeah.
What's this,
Keeps up.
250?
Yeah, CR250, old 97.
Yeah.
Man, I had one of my friends, he does racing motors. I sees this, and almost I thought beyond repair. I give it to this guy, comes back, it's a rocket. Like new reed, carburetor's tuned up, the chamber's honed. I thought it was gouged. It was like, man, this thing, I got 120 out of it.
Really?
Yeah, it's just incredibly quick. I love it. So torquey. What a gem. I got an old 85 too, but it's...
Is it 4-stroke you said? CRF?
No, CR 250 2-strokes, both of them, yeah. Yeah, I've not even ridden a 4-stroke yet. Everybody says as soon as I do, I'll love it, and I won't go back.
This 2-stroke, then I went to a KX 250F or whatever. Way better. Won't go back to 4-stroke, yeah. Because there's like torque through the whole thing.
Exactly, that's what he's saying.
This is a power bend, but it's like, this you can be 5th gear, just whatever, putting along next to the front ends up.
Really, eh? Wow. Yeah, nice.
You end up selling that, buying a car. So now he's without a bike. Now he's getting back.
Oh, well, that's the age, man. You got to do that, right? Yeah, you'll get back at 40. Life begins at 40.
You realize you got to work the next day. It's like, well.
Yeah.
I bent my knees back, so it was like I was done. I couldn't ride for the rest of that season anyway, right?
Shit, you're lucky to even be walking then.
Yeah.
I had another friend of mine that happened to.
When I get back to the truck, right? Remember that? Yeah. My knees were burning, man. It was like worked out okay though.
Right on.
It was nothing too serious, just some meniscus that had to scope out and shit after, right? But
you guys live around the area, just in Barrie here?
in Barrie,
yeah,
south
same
end of
here.
Barrie, yeah. Off of Maple Leaves there.
Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah,
well, I'll let you get back at her.
You got to keep your eyes open. A lot of guys booting around.
Exactly, I can't open her full tilt.
They don't bug you over here at all in the pits or nothing?
The only time we did have a problem was there were snowmobiles in the summer, and they were opening up their sleds and going across the water. So they were loud as hell, man.
Yeah,
They're just wah, and the neighbors complained. So I showed up one day, and I thought they were kicking us all out, and I was all upset. I didn't even bother talking. I just turned around and went home. I was like, that's it.
So
Cops
they
took
asked
my
you for
spot.
your off-road plate or anything like that?
No. So my buddy, he was supposed to meet here. He went in. He actually talked to the cops. Same as me. No stickers, no plates, nothing. Just a dirt bike, eh?
Yeah.
And he talked to them, and they said, no, we got no problem with you. Ontario Hydro knows you guys are here, and we just got some complaints by the neighbors. We got to shut the sleds down, and that was it.
Go across the water.
Yeah.
Right?
He basically gave us the free-for-all. He said they know about us, and they don't complain. And
well, it's good here because there's not a lot of houses around. It's not like even in south end of Barrie, those small trails. Now you can't even really go in there anymore, right?
You're called within an hour. You get an hour out of it before somebody calls the cops on you.
We used to come from Toronto before I moved up here. I moved up in '97. We used to come from Toronto years ago, ride all those trails, right in behind Walmart.
Oh, when I was a kid, all the boys, the generation ahead of me did.
And when you move up here, you same trails, but you're kind of,
You look about the same age as me, though, so yeah.
About 38.
Oh no, shit. Yeah, that's right. Again.
All right, man. We'll see you around.
All right, cheers.
Okay.
Hey, sweetie.
Yeah.